Automating workflows in Salesforce is one of the best ways to streamline your business processes, save time, and boost efficiency. In this video, I'll show you how to automate workflows in Salesforce with a quick, easy to understand guide that'll make you an automation pro in no time. First, let's dive into the basics. A Salesforce workflow is an automation tool that helps you reduce repetitive tasks. It can automatically send emails, update records, and even create tasks based on triggers you set. Imagine having your system handle all the tedious tasks, letting you focus on what really matters. Next thing, let's talk about workflow rules. Workflow rules are the foundation of automating tasks in Salesforce. To create a rule, simply define a trigger event, such as when a record is created or updated. For example, you might set up a rule that automatically sends a follow-up email when a lead reaches a certain stage. The power here is that you can make the rule as simple or as complex as you want. The third thing you should know is about actions. Once the trigger happens, actions are what the system will automatically execute. These actions can include sending an email, updating a field, creating a task, or even sending an outbound message. You'll have several options to choose from depending on what you want your workflow to accomplish. Next, you can take your automation to the next level with Process Builder. Process Builder is more flexible than workflow rules and allows you to automate more complex processes. You can create multi-step processes with ease. For instance, you could use it to update multiple related records automatically when a primary record meets specific conditions, like when an opportunity is closed. Process Builder also has an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that makes it super easy to design your workflows. The fourth thing you need to know is about time-based actions. Sometimes you don't want to trigger an action immediately, but after a set period of time. For example, you could create a workflow that sends a reminder email to a client 2 days before their meeting. This is perfect for managing customer relationships and ensuring no important dates or deadlines slip through the cracks. And if you want even more control, there's Flow Builder. Flow Builder gives you the ability to design highly customized workflows that can collect data, make decisions, and trigger complex actions. You can set it up to collect information from a user and then make decisions based on that input, such as sending them specific resources or creating a follow-up task. Now that you know the key components of automating workflows in Salesforce, it's important to keep in mind that automation should be used strategically. Don't just automate everything. Focus on tasks that are repetitive or time-consuming. By doing this, you'll not only save time, but also reduce the risk of human error, improve consistency, and scale your business effectively. Finally, don't forget that with Salesforce, you can start automating for free with our exclusive bonuses just by checking the link in the description below. You can even extend your free trial to get full access and explore all the features you need for your business. Automating workflows in Salesforce can revolutionize the way you manage your business. By using workflow rules, actions, Process Builder, time-based actions, and Flow Builder, you can create a seamless system that works for you. And remember, you can get a free trial of Salesforce using the link below, giving you access to all these powerful features for an extended period, so don't miss out. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to check out our exclusive offer below and start automating your workflows today.